Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, quick project suitable for beginners. All you need is 2 pairs chain nose pliers, some charms of your choice, jump rings and a chain bracelet. Now these chain bracelets I sell in the shop, I think they're absolutely fantastic because the links are so large. It doesn't matter what size wrist you've got, even if you've got a really small wrist, you can still wear it, pop the clasp through any link, and then it just looks like you've got an extension chain on the end. So these are suitable for all ages and all wrist sizes. So I'm doing a friend themed charm bracelet today. I've got a BFF, best friends forever charm, some music charm because the people who I'm making it for like going dancing, listening to music, a little teddy bear holding a flower just to show like friendship. A charm that says just for you because it's been handmade just for them, and the handmade charm to say that it's been handmade. So you simply take a jump ring, open it up so the hole is at the top. Remember, it's a bit like clock face. I think of it as 12 o'clock at the top, hold it in 1 pair of pliers at 3 o'clock, and then I hold it in the opposite side at 9 o'clock, and it doesn't matter which hand twist either towards you or away from you. You then have your jump ring open, you hook on your charm, decide whereabouts on your bracelet you want it. I want it in the middle here, and then I'm just going to hook it on and twist it back so the ends of the jump ring are touching. Another way to hold your jump ring is hold it on the end with 1 pair of pliers, and then the other pair of pliers hold it sideways, especially if you're using very thick jump rings of a thicker gauge of wire. They can be quite tricky to open and close, particularly if you're not used to opening and closing jump rings. I find in the workshop sometimes people just have a little struggle with those jump rings, so holding it like that just gives you extra surface area to hold on to, and therefore making it a bit easier to grip. So I can't get this one through the loop. Not going through. Oh, there we go. Sometimes if it doesn't go through, might still jump ring isn't opened enough, so just twist it a little bit more. And then I've just got 2 more to do. So close that one. If you wanted to add beads to it, you could easily do that. Just get some head pins, pop a bead on a head pin, and attach that to the charm, to the chain. Sorry, I do that a lot in the children's Saturday morning clubs. Sorry, not the children's, teenager Saturday morning clubs. That's a really popular design, is a beaded charm bracelet. And last charm. So a twist open. Open wide, hook it on, twist back, and there is your charm bracelet.